Today we are going to play the A minor scale 2 octaves. So we've all been practicing our first 5 major scales, right? 2 octaves. We had C, G, D, A, and E major. So now we're going to play A minor 2 octaves. Remember, the A minor scale is all right keys from A to A. So let's play on the piano. So remember, for A minor, the fingering is the same as for all the 5 major scales that we've already learned. So I'll show you. All right, so we're going to start on this first A below middle C, and we're going to use our 1 finger, right? So we're going to go up, 1, 2, 3, and remember we cross our finger under. Okay, and now we want to keep going, right? So instead of playing 5, we're going to cross our first finger under again and keep going. And then 1 again. And now we can play 5. And then coming back down. And remember we crossed that 3rd finger over. And then since we're going to play the scale again, we're going to cross our 4th finger over this time. And then cross our 3rd finger again. Then, with our left hand, we're going to start the second A below middle C. And we're going to start with our 5 finger. And we're going to go up. And then remember we crossed our 3rd finger over? But we want to keep going to the 2nd octave. So we're going to cross our 4th finger over. And then cross our 3rd finger again. And then we're going to go back down, right? So cross your 1st finger under again. And then cross your 1st finger under, because you're going to keep going under the 4th finger. And then cross again. There you go, 2 octaves. So let's play our right hand 2 octaves in rhythm. And we'll just play 2 beats each. Ready? So here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent, everyone. Shall we try the left hand? All right, come on down here. 2 A's below middle C. We're going to do the same thing. So I'll give you 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow! So today we practiced our A minor scale 2 octaves. So now you have 6 scales that you should be practicing 2 octaves, hands separate, and 1 octave, hands together. Soon, we're going to practice all of those scales, hands together, 2 octaves, but not yet. Remember to play your scales very slowly. We don't need to play them fast yet. And it's also helpful if you're playing 1 octave to sing the solfege. It was great practicing with y'all today. I can't wait to see y'all soon. Prestissima out.